Welcome to Navadisha Tech Learning. Today we are breaking down API Gateway, an essential API concept. So, what is API Gateway? An API gateway is a single entry point that routes requests, handles auth, and manages traffic. This is one of the core ideas in API that every developer should know. Here are the key things to know about API Gateway. Point 1. Popular solutions. AWS API Gateway, Kong, Apogee, TYK, Traefik, Zoll. Point 2, handles authentication, rate limiting, caching, request transformation. Point 3, routes to multiple backend microservices. Point 4, central place for monitoring, logging, and analytics. Point 5, can add latency, must be highly available and performant. And that is API Gateway explained. Subscribe to Navadisha for a new API concept every single day. See you tomorrow.